Hello students, our today's topic is importance of healthy and positive lifestyle. Now being healthy is a part of everyone's lifestyle. Leading a healthy lifestyle can help to prevent various chronic diseases and long-term illness. Feeling good about ourselves and taking care of our body of our health is important for our self-esteem also. So there is need to encourage everyone towards maintaining a healthy and positive lifestyle by doing what is right and what is good for your mind. So let us start the topic. Now, importance of healthy and positive lifestyle. The first importance is that it increases the longevity of life. A positive, a healthy, active lifestyle increases the lifespan of an individual. The life expectancy rate जो है वो हमारा बढ़ जाता है. Means how long an individual is going to live. Now it adds years to your life. Now सिर्फ increase करना lifespan is not important unless you are fit, you are healthy. So for that you need to adopt a healthy lifestyle. Now healthy lifestyle involves three basic things. In fact, four. First is monitoring your diet. Monitoring your diet means what diet you should take. That is balanced diet, avoiding junk food, taking right amount of diet. Okay. Next is adopting regular exercise or yoga or any physical activities as a part of your daily routine. Okay. Then taking proper sleep. And fourth one, important one, is managing your stress. So these four activities, if you are doing, you are adopting a healthy lifestyle. Next is, and it helps in living longer. It slows down your aging process. Aging process means getting older, and helps an older person to stay fit, young, healthy and strong. Now how it can be possible? So when you are taking physical activities daily as a part of your lifestyle activity, then it reduces the risk of various chronic diseases या long term diseases या lifestyle diseases जो हो सकते हैं. ठीक है. इनएक्टिविटी की वजह से, इनएक्टिव लाइफस्टाइल की वजह से जो ओबेसिटी है, डायबिटीज़ है, हाइपरटेंशन है, उन सारे डिजीजेस को दूर करता है और it helps you to contribute to a healthier and longer life. Clear? Next is increases energy level. जब आप physical activities करते हो, आपका bone density अच्छा होता है, आपका मस्कुलर स्ट्रेंथ अच्छा होता है, स्केलेटल मसल्स मास जो है वो अच्छा रहता है. ठीक है. नाउ ड्यू टू दिस द एनर्जी लेवल ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल इंक्रीजेस. द पर्सन बिकम्स वेरी एक्टिव एंड stays fit or active for a longer period of time. Now due to this, the person is able to complete their work in lesser amount of time. ठीक है. Third one is prevents obesity. When you are performing physical activities regularly, when you are taking proper diet, proper balanced diet, so that allows you to maintain a healthy body weight. ठीक है. So that prevents obesity. और obesity को जो है वो आज मेजर लाइफस्टाइल डिजीज़ माना जाता है और उसकी वजह से जो होने वाले उसके इंटरलिंक्ड डिजीज़ है, हाइपरटेंशन है, आपका डायबिटीज़ है, ठीक है, बैक पेन है, लोअर बैक पेन, अस्थमा है, ये सारे डिजीज़ जो हैं, कोलेस्ट्रॉल है, वो सारे डिजीज़ रुक जाते हैं इफ़ यू प्रिवेंट ओबेसिटी और ओवरवेट. So regular physical activities and healthy eating habits, avoiding junk food and taking healthy food, they helps us to maintain an optimum weight and right fat content of our body. Clear? Next. Fourth one is helps to manage stress. The stress and depression, anxiety, all can be managed properly if you adopt a healthy lifestyle. It helps to improve your mood. हमारे बॉडी के अंदर काफ़ी सारे मूड रेगुलेटिंग हार्मोन्स होते हैं, so that production increases and it enables us to live a stress free life. हमारा सोशल लाइफ, हमारा प्रोफेशनल लाइफ, हमारा पर्सनल लाइफ सभी जो है वो अच्छा हो जाता है एंड हमारा अल्टीमेटली जो है उसकी वजह से हमारा लाइफस्टाइल जो है वो हेल्दी हो जाता है. एज अ रिजल्ट वी आर एबल टू हैंडल ऑल चैलेंजेस ऑफ लाइफ easily. Next is improve our posture. Now healthy and positive lifestyle helps to improve correct posture. Posture means how your body is aligned. आपका body का shape जो है that is your posture, correct posture. Now what is correct posture? Now this topic you will take it up in 12th in detail. Correct posture मैं अभी आपको समझा देता हूँ कि correct posture उसको बोलते हैं जहाँ पर आपको कोई दिक्कत ना हो while standing, while walking, ठीक है, while sitting. So where your body does not experience any stress on the muscles or joints or bones while performing any activity. So that is your correct posture. Now we people have the habit of following incorrect postures. Incorrect postures के मैं आपको example दे सकता हूँ that when we are standing we shift our weight on one leg. So that is incorrect posture. उसकी वजह से आपका स्पाइन पर, आपके शोल्डर्स पर काफ़ी सारा, आपके पर्टिकुलर लेग पर जो है वो काफ़ी सारा स्ट्रेस आता है उस पर्टिकुलर जॉइंट्स, मसल्स, बोन्स पर, और जिसकी वजह से आपका बॉडी पोस्चर आपका जो है वो डिस्टर्ब होने लगता है, अलग होने लगता है. कई बार यू विल सी दैट पीपल वॉकिंग विद द हेड डाउन, शोल्डर्स स्ट्रेच्ड इन, तो एक कर्व शेप जो है वो उनके बैक का शुरू हो जाता है, अपर बैक का. दैट इज इनकरेक्ट पोस्चर. सो व्हेन यू परफॉर्म ए हेल्दी एंड पॉजिटिव लाइफस्टाइल, फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़ आप उस तरीके से करते हो, एक्सरसाइजेस करते हो, तो आपका बॉडी जो है वो करेक्टली अलाइंड रहता है, बोन्स अपनी जगह पर रहते हैं, प्रॉपर जगह पर, एंड प्रॉपर शेप एंड साइज ऑफ द बॉडी इज डेवलप्ड. आपके बोन डेंसिटी अच्छा रहता है, ठीक है, मसल मास अच्छा रहता है, एंड ड्यू टू दिस द फिजिकल अपीयरेंस ऑफ आवर बॉडी ऑल्सो रिमेन्स गुड. देन not only by performing regular physical exercise, you need to focus on your diet also. So taking balanced diet also helps to give you a proper posture. So it improves our posture, जिसकी वजह से हमारा personality also is improved. Next, last point we'll take it up, that is helps to reduce cardiovascular diseases. When you are adopting a healthy and positive lifestyle, various types of lungs, cardiovascular diseases means diseases related with lungs and heart. ज़्यादातर जो disease होते हैं वो इसी से related होते हैं. So if your heart, if your lung is functioning proper, you will not have any other problems. Blood circulation आपका अच्छा रहेगा, ऑक्सीजन आपके बॉडी, आपके सेल्स को मिलता रहेगा, जिसकी वजह से आपका ब्रेन and the other tissues of your body will function properly. आपका internal physiological systems जो है वो भी अच्छी तरीके से functions करते रहेंगे. So these two are very important organs of your body, and healthy and positive lifestyle can prevent various such diseases which are related with lungs and heart. It also helps to reduce the extra body fat, strengthens the heart, which helps to improve blood and oxygen flow throughout the body. Now, healthy activities such as walking, jogging, yoga asanas, pranayam, they all help an individual to stay away from such diseases. So, one can live for a longer period of time, a healthier, okay, with proper health, with good health, with strong body, strong physique. So, it is necessary for everyone to adopt a healthy and positive lifestyle. So that's all for today. If you have any doubt regarding the chapter, you can comment in our group. Thank you.